It's a competition to celebrate Indiana's long manufacturing history. The Indiana Chamber of Commerce is sponsoring a friendly contest to find the coolest thing made in Indiana. The ASCENT SUV manufactured by Subaru of Indiana Automotive is one of the products nominated.
It's a bracketed competition, so we are up against one other product in that first round. If we get the most votes, then we advance to the next round, and then we would advance all the way up, hopefully, to the coolest thing made in Indiana.
Winners of the contest are chosen by the public. The product with the most votes advances to the next round. Scott Brand says including the Subaru ASCENT in the competition was an easy decision.
Our vehicles are the most capable in inclement conditions, whether that's rain, snow, a little bit in ice. No car is great in ice. And then, off the highway, on the trail, or, headed down to the creek, or, out to the campsite. It's a fantastic automobile for getting you where you want to be to enjoy your outdoor lifestyle activities.
SIA has been manufacturing automobiles in Tippecanoe County for over 30 years, beginning in 1989. The Subaru ASCENT is a vehicle made specifically with the American market in mind.
It's only made in North America. It was a product designed in Japan. Developed for the North American market, but it's only produced here. They don't make it in the plants in Japan.
The ASCENT model makes up part of the 400,000 cars produced by the factory every year. Another cool thing about the Subaru ASCENT is that the factory is running at near capacity to produce the vehicle.
6,500 is about the standard number we want to have. That will allow us to produce around the 400,000 units a year. Honestly, if we could get a few more people, we'd love it, because our staffing numbers have been strained a little bit because of the pandemic and because of some other factors. So we're continuing to look for available people that are interested in a career in the automotive manufacturing world.
Round one of the competition is underway this week. Go to indianachamber.com/coolest thing to vote.
By having the ASCENT in the competition, it hopefully will make more people aware of this fantastic automobile and SUV that we produce here in the state. That is something that we should all be proud of.
Round two voting opens on January 17th. The finals will be during the first 2 weeks of February. The champion will be announced February 15th and will wear the crown of the coolest thing made in Indiana. Dave North, Star City News, Lafayette.